Walnut is a beautiful wood type, dark, smooth, and luxurious. But you may be asking yourself whether it's the right wood type for your new furniture. Well, keep watching as we break down the distinctive characteristics of walnut wood versus other wood types for furniture. Walnut is, simply put, among the most stunning wood types for furniture. But there's a lot to consider beyond its beauty as you weigh the pros and cons of walnut wood. First, the look. Walnut is a naturally dark-colored wood. It'll vary in tone from medium to dark brown shades, however, so don't be surprised to find wide, lighter or darker streaks in your walnut furniture. Walnut features a fine, smooth grain with a consistent pattern and very little texture. Long, narrow loops and subtle waves are occasionally interrupted by dark-colored knots. We recommend finishing walnut wood with a simple finish like linseed oil, or maybe a clear coat varnish over the natural wood to let the natural beauty shine through. A light stain in varnish can add just the right tone to walnut wood. Due to its darker natural color, dark stains and paints are not the best options to showcase this distinguished wood. Renowned for its beauty, walnut is a premium wood type, which makes it one of the highest priced wood type upgrades we offer, ideal for formal dining furniture, executive office furniture, or other centerpieces designed to impress. Walnut is about average hardness for a hardwood. Its construction is highly durable, but it may take scratches or dents with heavy use. For this reason, we recommend simple precautions, like using a writing pad instead of writing directly on a walnut desk or tabletop. Woodworkers love walnut wood for its workability and durability. It can be steam bent or hand carved with intricate designs, but it also won't warp, absorbs shock well, and naturally resists decay. In summary, walnut is a gorgeous, luxurious wood type that makes stunning indoor furniture. It's a premium wood at a premium price. So, are you in search of a centerpiece for your office or dining room? Would the natural beauty of this remarkable wood make the difference? We'll let you decide. Is walnut wood the right choice for you? Thanks for watching. Click the link to visit us at DutchCrafters.com. Talk to you soon.